Hi everybody, this is Brendan from LemTask. In this video, I'm going to compare Sunsama and LemTask, not feature by feature, but by how they actually feel to use day by day. We'll look at how planning works in Sunsama, how execution works in LemTask, and the real difference between planning and doing. Sunsama is built around one core idea, daily planning. Every day starts with the decision-making phase. You review tasks coming in from other tools, projects, calendars, and task apps. You don't automatically work on everything. You deliberately choose what deserves time today. You get a nice summary of your day after you've planned, and then you go back to home. As I pull in more tasks to the day, Sunsama asks me to estimate how long each task will take. This is important because Sunsama doesn't let time stay abstract. As tasks are added, the system actually warns me if my day looks too long. This prevents me from overfilling the day with tasks. This planning approach works well if your work changes daily, you want strong time boundaries, or you prefer thinking before acting. But it also means you spend real time planning before you actually start doing. For context, this is how we do this in LemTask, which is the tool we use ourselves. Got a nice dashboard with a summary. I've got my tasks already auto scheduled for today. And then I can look at all my tasks. I first look at all my tasks and make sure that I schedule them for today, the ones that needs to be done today. I'll add that to today. Great. 7 tasks in order of priority. So in LemTask, the focus shifts from planning to execution. You're not rebuilding your day every morning. Tasks already live in a clear structure with ownership and priority. You simply open the app and start working. It also has the board function. I can look at my tasks for today, which must be done, which is in progress, and which has been completed. There's less decision making up front and less friction between intention and action. LemTask optimizes for moving work forward with minimal overhead. If you prefer momentum, repeatable workflows, and fast execution, LemTask feels lighter. Sunsama optimizes for thinking clearly about your day. If you enjoy time blocking, reviewing your capacity, and planning intentionally every day, Sunsama feels natural. Neither approach is right or wrong, but they solve different problems. The mistake people make is using a planning tool when they actually need an execution system. Sunsama is excellent for people who want to design the day before they get to work. If you want to see this approach in full, LemTask is linked below.